From kitchen scales to magical mixers, we've got you covered. So, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below on what gadgets or Amazon finds you want to see next. Welcome to your new favorite gadget spot. Hate cleaning your air fryer after every meal? Say hello to air fryer paper liners, your new kitchen lifesaver. No cutting, no mess, just cook, enjoy, and toss the liner away. Made from unbleached, BPA-free, and heat-resistant materials for safe, worry-free cooking. Oil-proof, waterproof, and keeps your air fryer spotless every time. Guessing your meat's temperature? Stop. Get perfect results every time with the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Thermometer. Ultra fast, accurate, and waterproof. Perfect for grilling, baking, frying, and more. Easy to clean and ready to go right out of the box. Batteries included. No more overcooked or undercooked meat. Get yours now. Mornings made easy with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, or omelets. Perfect eggs every time. Just one touch and let the auto shutoff do the rest. Meal prep? Done. Breakfast? Faster than ever. Tired of inaccurate measurements ruining your recipes? Get precision with the Etexity Digital Kitchen Scale. Effortlessly switch between grams, ounces, milliliters, and more. Plus, the tare function makes meal prep a breeze. Easy to clean, compact, and ready to use. Batteries included. Perfect for baking, cooking, and keto. Tired of messy meal prep? Knives slipping, veggies flying everywhere? Stop the madness. Meet the Full Star Vegetable Chopper, TikTok's favorite meal prep hack. Slice, dice, and chop like a pro in seconds. No hassle, no stress. Rust-resistant blades? Check. Non-slip grip? Check. Easy cleanup? You bet. It's dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to quick, easy, and mess-free cooking. Grab your Full Star Chopper now. Your future self will thank you. Tired of messy, time-consuming grating? Say hello to the Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater, the fastest, safest, and easiest way to shred, slice, and grind. Just turn the handle and get fresh shredded cheese 12 times faster. No more bagged cheese. Great cheese, nuts, veggies, even cookies with 3 precision blades. Tired of dish towels that just push water around? Meet Homaxy 100% cotton waffle weave dishcloths. Super absorbent, ultra soft, and quick drying. Gentle on cookware, stylish for any kitchen, and machine washable. Ditch the paper towels. Grab your set today. Tired of water bottles that spill and don't fit your cup holder? Meet the Hydro Jug Traveler, your new hydration game changer. Leak-proof, triple-wall insulated, and keeps drinks hot or cold for 24 hours. Stylish, durable, convenient. Grab yours today. Stay hydrated anywhere. Boring cups? No thanks. Upgrade to Joy Club Gradient Glass Cups, the cutest way to sip your favorite drinks. Perfect for coffee boba, smoothies. Plus, it's reusable and gift-worthy. Sip in style. Still fighting with dull kitchen scissors? Stop the struggle. Sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades with micro-serrated edges for a perfect grip. Every cut smooth and easy, comfortable, durable, and even dishwasher safe. Grab yours today. Say hello to the Magic Bullet Blender, your all-in-one kitchen hero. Chop, blend, mix, and whip in seconds with 250 watts of power. From smoothies to sauces, omelets to dips, one touch does it all. Compact, powerful, and easy to clean. Tired of using too much oil? Meet the Yaramate 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser, the smarter way to cook. Spray or pour with precision control, perfect for air frying, grilling, and salads. Made from food grade, BPA free materials, it's safe, stylish, and easy to clean. Less mess, less waste. Upgrade your kitchen today.